Oh my god, let's go. So we're gonna hold short around with 2-3 here. Thank you guys for tuning into this channel. It's gonna be such an amazing flight, guys. If you miss it, you diss it. If you miss it, you're just missing out, man. It's gonna be a good flight. Such a nice day to fly. Winds are calm, the clouds look amazing.
November 3 Bravo Whiskey, cross runway 23.
Cross runway 23, November 3 Bravo Whiskey. Alright, it was time to cross. All lights are on. Boom, we got no traffic on final here. Alright, so right, center, left, cleared, and all lights are on. Let's speed it up along here just in case someone needs to run away.
Everything custom like I'm at the bottom. Yeah. If you fuck with winning, put your lighters to the sky. How could I make sense when I got millions on my mind? Coming with that bullshit, I just put it to the side.
I'm gonna keep